Alright, great day everyone. We're almost done with the 6 steps to financial security. And again, Choff here, one of the admins of Life at IMG. And today, let's discuss about step number 4, ensuring proper protection. So a quick review to the 6 steps of financial security. Number 1, increase cash flow. Number 2, debt management. Number 3, the importance of building emergency funds. And for today, let's discuss about ensuring proper protection. So this topic will involve all about life insurances. So I know this is not a very fun topic and I hope I can deliver. Okay. In order for us to achieve financial security, we really need to build a solid financial foundation. And as I discussed in the previous video, it starts with building from ground to up. So it starts with healthcare. And then we need to protect ourselves in case something happens, life insurance. We need to eliminate debts that we have. We want to build and create an emergency fund. And lastly, for us to have a comfortable retirement, we want to go into investments. So if you are this person standing in this very solid platform, okay, so no matter what kind of financial challenges that will arrive in our lives, we are sure to be secured because we have built a strong financial foundation. And as I mentioned, just like building a house, we need to build from bottom to top. Nobody builds a house starting with a roof, right? We start with a foundation. So in building a solid financial foundation, we need first to invest first in ourselves and then all the way up to all different types of investments. So today, let's focus on protecting ourselves, most specifically life insurances. So understanding protection starts with us, and we go work, job or business because we want to make money. And this money is because we want to provide for our family. We want to make money because we want to provide for our family. The only challenge is this one. What if something happens to the breadwinner? Okay, so the flow of income also stops. Thus, it might affect the lifestyle of the family that is left behind. Okay, so if the breadwinner dies, the dreams of the family should not also stop. They should continue to live, to build and create their dreams. That's why it is important for us to have life insurance. That is the purpose of getting life insurance. So it works it works in this way. Breadwinner, what if something happens to a breadwinner prematurely? The flow of income stops, but with life insurances, it replaces the income of the breadwinner. Thus, it continues to provide for the family. So the main purpose of life insurance is income replacement. Life insurance does not insure the life of the breadwinner, but it insures or replaces the income of the breadwinner so that the family can continue to live and build and create their dreams. Getting life insurance is like getting a fire extinguisher. It's for protection purposes. In case something happens to a house, say for example a fire accident, we are secured, or basically we have sort of a protection. Instead of having a total devastation of the house, we can minimize the damages because of the fire. So the same thing with life insurance. In case the breadwinner dies, it minimizes the total damage that it would bring if there will be no life insurance. So getting life insurance is really like having a fire extinguisher. You want to have it, but you don't want to use it. Okay? You don't want your house to be burned, right? You don't want to die also. But for protection purposes, you need to get life insurance. Another thing is that anything that is valuable to us, we need to insure, we need to protect. Example, our house. Say for example, you have a house worth 2 million. In case something happens, you want to get the same value of the house so that we can repair, we can rebuild the same quality of house that we had. Same thing with a car. In case of a car accident, you have a 1 million worth of car. You don't want your, say for example, your Honda City be replaced with a Kia Picanto, right? So 1 million worth of car, you want to insure it for the same value, 1 million. But the question is, how about you? How about us? How much are we worth? Priceless? And have you ever gotten a priceless life insurance? You also need to know how much is our value. The only sad part is this one. A lot of Filipinos are underinsured. Worst case, zero insurance. Okay. But the question is this one. Among all these three, which one is the most valuable? Is it the house? Is it the car? Or is it you? Is it me? Is it us? Okay. So it's very ironic that we insure a house, we insure our car, but a person living inside a house or the person driving the car is not insured. Okay. So we really need to reassess ourselves. We need to understand the value or the importance of getting this life protection. Maybe the reason why most people are uninsured or underinsured because more often than not, they hate, I don't know if hate is the right term, but they hate life insurances. Maybe because of these following facts. Life insurance is not taught in school. I don't remember a subject about getting life insurances, the importance of getting one. There's no subject about that one. Okay. Traditional agents, most of them, not all, of course, are focused on selling. Okay. Because of that, the first time you meet up with an agent, the first thing that happens is that the agent opens up the price list. Okay. So I don't know if there's an education going between the discussion, but more often than not, agents are focused on selling. I don't know if you've met a lot of agents, like they keep on calling you because they want to hit a certain quota. Okay, that's the challenge with the traditional agents. And because of that, a lot of Filipinos hate agents because of this type of what do you call this one? Selling. This type of selling. Okay, hard selling. I think that term is hard selling. And lastly, when you go out there, some life insurance products are very expensive. Okay, though I know there are cheap life insurances, but most of the times they are not offered to you. Okay, why? Again, focus on quota, focus on earning income. I'm not saying all agents are doing that, but more often than not, they're focused on the commission. Okay, so that's why a lot of Filipinos are uninsured. They hate life insurances, underinsured, and a lot of times they don't understand. Or if they may get life insurance, they don't understand what product they are getting. Okay, so to further understand how life insurance works, is this one. As I mentioned earlier, if something happens to the breadwinner, say for example the breadwinner is earning 20,000 per month and provides this 20,000 to his family. In case the breadwinner dies, the life insurance will replace the income of the breadwinner. Okay, so in this example, for a 20,000 peso income, the breadwinner needs around 2.4 million. All right, 2.4 million worth of life insurance. Once the family receives the 2.4 million, okay, they don't have to spend it. Why? We also need to educate the family. Why? We want to teach them to invest the 2.4 million. Okay, so you invest the 2.4 million. Okay, so again, review. The breadwinner dies, he earns 20,000 per month, and then the family receives a 2.4 million as life insurance proceeds. The family don't spend the 2.4 million, but rather invest it at 10% interest per year. 10% interest per year, that's 240,000 per year, or 20,000 per month. Okay, so as you can see, this is how income replacement works. It did not insure the life of the breadwinner, but it replaces the income of the breadwinner. So even if the breadwinner is no longer around, the family continues to live as if the breadwinner is still providing for them. Okay, so I do hope with that simple explanation, we appreciate the value of getting life insurance. So advanced training courses for members. So once you become a member of IMG, you will have access to all these trainings and lectures, in-depth understanding about life insurances. We need to appreciate the value of getting one. Basics and advanced training on life insurances. There are different types of life insurance out there: whole life, variable universal life, variable life, index universal life. We need to understand all these types of life insurances. How to compute for life insurance needs. A lot of people are underinsured, all right? For example, a person earning like 10,000, 20,000 per month may get 500,000 life insurance. You're underinsured, okay? We need to know how much is our insurance needs. And then we want to know how they are designed, okay? Because some life insurances have like cash value. We want to know how the cash value is designed, okay? And since IMG is a believer of the buy term, invest the difference, because IMG is a believer of pushing term insurance. The reason why most Filipinos are underinsured is because of the premium of life insurances. Most of the time, they are very expensive. IMG advocates buying cheap term insurance, and whatever is left, all right, or whatever, what do you mean? The extra money that's supposed to pay for a expensive premium, you invest it into an investment program. Okay, so basically there are a lot of things you can learn here in IMG. Okay, so let me adjust this one. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can learn here in IMG, and I really look forward to you becoming a member here in IMG, because once you are a member, you have access to like our workshops, training, video training, one-on-one consultation. We have conventions and market updates. So there's so much learning you can learn here in IMG. Okay, so hopefully we can reach 1 million financially educated Filipino families by the year 2020. And again, I hope you are one of that family. Okay, so I look forward to you becoming part here in IMG, and I welcome you in advance. Have a great life here at IMG. Thank you and great day.